probably know what this is. So this is the Pavo FEMTO, a tiny Cinewhoop drone that will handle your DJI 04 Lite unit that can support 4K up to 60 frames per second. You can capture in 4:3, stabilize that in gyro flow and get really fluid, beautiful shots. Yes, the camera image quality does leave room for improvement. But for what this is and for how much it costs, it's a great piece of equipment in my opinion. 14,000 kV 1102 lava motors that are quite powerful. I've been calling this the DJI Neo on steroids, as it has pretty much the same camera. It just is slightly better because it can support 4K 50 and 60 frames per second, which is amazing because 4K 30 on the DJI Neo was quite painful to fly. In my opinion and in my experiences, the drone is quite very powerful for its size and for its weight. I'm flying these 550 milliamp hour lava batteries. Flight time is from around 3 minutes to 5 minutes, depending on what's the wind situation and how much do you push it. And I gotta say, you can push it quite a lot. You can do freestyle stuff, you can do dives. The best way to share this would be by just showing you real life flight. Enjoy the flights. He's going to fly the DJI Neo. I'm going to fly the DJI Neo on steroids. Woohoo! Alrighty. This is my first flight ever with this thing. This is amazing. Oh, I'm in horizon mode. Let's switch to, yeah. Ah, so cool. It flies so smoothly. Insane. So yeah, the shutter is 1/100. ISO 100. This light is kind of perfect right now for the correct settings. I really hope that they will introduce some ND filters for the 04 Lite. That would be so cool. Wow, it controls extremely smoothly. I have stock rates for this drone and it controls really snappy. The flip I did there, that was real nice. Oh, beautiful. Slightly overexposed as I have settings on manual. Oh, that was that juicy flick. Juicy flip. Juicy flick or juicy flip, I don't know. But yeah, I did it. Fun. Yeah. Wow, it controls super well. I can do freestyle with this tiny thing. Oh my god. Excellent. Just excellent. Here we are. Woo. Whoa, that was cool. Hopefully the video will look amazing. And the DJI Neo is taking off as well. Let's do some follow shots. Yeah, I'm gonna catch you. So following the DJI Neo with Pavo FEMTO, as I call it, the DJI Neo on steroids, because we have a better camera. Woo! Where'd you go? Oh, I see you. No crashing, no crashing. All safe and sound. Oh, sweet. FPV is amazing. Oh, intense. I'm quite a bit scared with this 04 Lite. I've heard that it's quite fragile, so I don't want to crash it, as I've heard that if you crash it, it will just break. And I don't want to break it, so I'll be extremely safe while being extreme. Oh no, oh no, those freaking tiny vampires are biting my arm.
What's the range on the Pavo?
I don't know, but well, haven't had any breakups yet at all. It's like great. Oh, the battery is low. Okay, low battery. Okay, I've been air for 4.5 minutes. Amazing. What's up? It's day 2 with the Pavo FEMTO right here. Today we shall be using 2 stabilization methods. One will be capturing in 4x3 and stabilizing gyro flow. The other one will be just 16:9 with Rocksteady, and we'll see the difference in how does the image look, how does it stabilize. I'm quite interested in seeing the difference. All right, high shutter speed flight, shutter speed 1/500 of a second. ISO 100, 4x3, stabilizing gyro flow. We do have slightly larger tilt on the camera today. I did want to have some extra speed. So yeah, let's have some fun. Also today is really windy, and we will probably feel that in the flight performance as well as battery life. Yesterday I was able to get like almost 5 minutes, well 4 minutes and 50 seconds to be exact. That was the flight time. All good, all good, all good, all good. I think the drone's fine. Yesterday I lost one of those rubber things when I crashed. I think in my first crash, one of those rubber things just fell off the camera, the thing that like holds the camera in place. So yeah, that's one of the downsides of the 04 Lite. It's quite fragile. Well, I guess DJI will do something about it with the next version, but currently the light version of their 04 unit is quite fragile. And well, it is what it is. You can't want everything for that. You have the 04 Pro. That thing is pretty much like, in my opinion, it will replace, for a lot of people, it will replace action cameras, at least in my opinion, as the image quality is extremely good. And well, for me it will replace the GoPro definitely, as I don't have a GoPro. I have the Action 4 and 5, but yeah, that's the reason why I'm upgrading my my Pavo 20 Pro to the 04 Pro. I had the 03, and the 03 still is a great vision system that can record good looking videos if you know what you're doing, but the 04 Pro is just next level. It's way better in low light, and it supports 4K 50 in 4x3, so you get wider field of view after you do gyro flow stabilization. All right, so we have battery is low. Let's land, and this time we will stabilize it in a different way. We'll turn on the Rocksteady, and we'll capture in 16:9, and we'll see how does that look like. Okay, we are recording on everything. That's good. Okay, we did see some jello in the image. It's quite windy, so I think that is to be expected. Who knows how it will handle in non-windy days with higher shutter speeds. I haven't had that opportunity yet to fly in a daylight without a lot of wind, But yeah, this is what you get in a windy day. That's a pretty cool statue, in my opinion. All right. Controls really well, especially for such a windy day. The drone is tiny, extremely lightweight, 73.5 grams. That's incredible. Got some people running. Let's not fly too close. A lot of people don't like drones these days. Thankfully, I haven't met any that don't like them. Oh wow, yeah, it's so agile. Got some cool gaps. Let's go through. So what do you think? Does the gyro flow footage look better? How is the image? Well, I'm seeing it right now, but it will probably look a bit different on the bigger screen, as well with stabilization. I don't see stabilized image. I see what I see. Yeah, cool. That was pretty cool. Oh, sweet. All right, we are 2 minutes and 15 seconds in air. Still fine. We have some battery left, but it does drain a lot quicker today. The wind doesn't help. All right, I think I'm getting hang of these rates. These are, by the way, stock rates. I haven't changed anything. I am learning how to adapt to new rates on each drone. It's I don't know, I just want to do that. I don't change them anymore on FPV drones. I do change them on the regular GPS drones, but on these ones I've switched to stock rates for all my FPV drones. So 3 minutes and 14 seconds, 17, 18, and well, the battery, it doesn't tell me to land now yet. Wow, okay, now it tells me to land now. It was a lot of fun flying this thing. I'll be flying it more and more these upcoming weeks, months, as I really enjoy tiny cinewhoops, because it's really cool to hit those gaps, go through tree branches and everything. Huge thanks to BetaFPV for providing me with the drone. Big shout out to brickracing.com for providing me with the 04 Lite and also with the assembly of the drone. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave that like, subscribe for more, hit that bell thing so you are notified whenever I upload something. Also, if you want to support my channel, you can become a member of this YouTube channel. Here are the members that are supporting me right now, and also you can support me on Patreon if that's your thing. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.